We have an option of ready-made linkages in the Finding Studio. So you can simply choose a jump ring. You can specify a custom location on a particular position or on a surface as well. So if I just say position it here, so be it. If I say select a surface, then it will come perpendicular to the surface on it. If I uncheck it, it will be back on 0. You can just specify the inner diameter and the thickness of the jump ring that you need, and it will be created when you bake it. It's a poly surface, nothing more. In this case, it will be a closed surface only, obviously. Similarly, we also have pin joints option. So here we have created, depending on your requirement, let's say I've said right view. I can opt for the inner diameter, the thickness, the width, and the fillet edge radius. When you say OK, you get not just the generated pin joint, but which is grouped, you can see that, but you also get two planes which you can use for cutting your surface or of the design. Let me hide this. We also have an option of Tana joint, something that is readily available for you to work with. You can always play with the extension start and end. You can choose the thickness, the radius of the fillet and so on as well.